In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to access Gemini Pro for completely free. And yes, you heard me, completely free. The reason why I'll be dropping a video like this is not to grant you access into Gemini Pro for free. It's just for you to have a trial. Now, I speak to a lot of business owners about, LLMs like this, and most of them complain about the pricing. And that's the reason why I thought to look for freebies that can be helpful to every single one of you out there. I know not everyone can afford to keep paying for a monthly subscription. And so this is a way to kind of test the waters with Gemini Pro, see if it is a good fit for you. And then when you have the resources, you can actually purchase a plan. Right? So this is not me trying to help you cut corners. This is actually me just giving you an opportunity to swim in the ocean of AI. Gemini Pro is actually an LLM that was created by Google, and it's an amazing LLM because it has an integration of Nano Banana and VAO3. For some of us that don't really know what Gemini is, it's almost like the ChatGPT of OpenAI. Let's just go straight into me showing you how you can access Gemini for completely free. Now, I've found out there that there are several ways to do this. First of all, you can try the student plan. You have to go through some verification processes to do that, verify that you are a student and all of that, and it takes a lot of time, sincerely. And I tried it, but that method didn't work because, first of all, I used to be a student, but I'm no longer a student. So secondly, the process was just too tedious, and they will hardly give to people, especially those in Nigeria. And also some other people also tried getting access into this using VPS and other forms, and it was just a lot of back and forth, a lot of tabs to be opened, a lot of applications to be downloaded, and I just got burned out at this moment. And finally I found a solution on how to get this for free. So without further ado, go ahead, click on the description below. The link to this particular website is in the description below, so click on that link. It's going to bring you directly to this website where you have the opportunity to type in your email address and go ahead and click on continue. So I'm going to type in my email address over here. When you're done, just go ahead and click on continue with email. Now this will actually bring you in directly. Now there are other ways to get emails. You can try GoDaddy, you can try other platforms to get free emails, just emails that you can just generate, almost like fake emails. But I actually have like 4 emails that I use, so I tried one of my emails and it actually logged us in. And now we're actually in Gemini Pro. Now this is Gemini Enterprise, so I think it's actually Google's way of opening up their suite for businesses to actually try out before they purchase a plan. So to be sincere, this particular method is not going to last for a very long time. So if you are seeing this video, go ahead, click on the link, do the needful, share the video with other people that you think will really need to master this AI tool. Let them get to benefit from it before Google closes the opportunity, right? So as you can see here, I already tried playing with it. I told it to generate an image of IShowSpeed. We all know this young streamer, and you could see how amazing the picture looks. You might not even be able to tell that this is AI, except for some wonky things going on around here. It got everything perfectly. Now this is not a Nano Banana class, but you can just see. Now, for those of us that are asking what Nano Banana is, it's just an image generation tool that is embedded in Gemini. Now, how to access this is simple. I actually have a full video guide on the interface, the Gemini interface, but let me just show you how to access this here. That is the Nano Banana. Go here, look at the 2 dots, this particular dot where it says tools. Click on tools and then look at it here. It says generate images with the Nano Banana Pro, not just Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro. So click on it and then now it's going to appear beneath here. That means anything that you are going to be creating will be created by Nano Banana. All right, so this is not a course on how to use Gemini, so I don't want to bore you with all of that. Go ahead and experiment, go ahead and look at all the tools, watch the video that I'm going to place somewhere up here. Go ahead and check it out so that you know how to navigate the interface and know how to use Gemini Pro properly. All right, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also share the video with friends so that they get to enjoy this particular window that is opened. If you are watching this video maybe a month or 2 or 3 from now, I apologize. Maybe Gemini would have closed this opportunity, maybe not, but just go ahead and try your hands on it. All right, until next time, I am Elijah Kweku Edumazie, and I am an AI enthusiast and a multimedia professional in the heart of Abuja, Nigeria. I create amazing contents like this to help businesses and individuals like you leverage AI and also 10x their outputs in 2026. So if you like videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe. I'll catch you later on the next video. Bye bye.